Hey, hello guys. How are you all doing? I hope you're all happy and fine like I am. Well, so whew, it's like I don't know, it's like headache. Alright, so I'm Jennifer. By the way, I'm Jennifer and this is PrepClass, and we'll just go on or continue from where we stopped in our last learning session, still on Jsce past English language questions 2020. So don't forget to like or comment. That is, my and sounds like or, does it? No, don't forget to like and comment. Okay, I know it kind of sounds like or comment. No, don't forget to like and comment, right? And subscribe to our channel. It's very important that you do. Like I always say, you get to enjoy the numerous benefits that come with being a member of the PrepClass online educational platform. So please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so yeah, continue from where we stopped. The instruction here says, from the options lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same vowel or consonant sounds as the one represented in the letter or letters underlined. Right, so number 76, we have the word actor. Actor. Alright, so A, about, B, lust, C, port, and D, chord. Okay, so this actor. Alright, so the R sound. Alright, so when you transcribe the word actor, that is it beside it. That's what the transcription of the word actor looks like. So the transcription is act, right? And the R sound, which is represented with the OR in the word actor, is it's also found in about. Okay, about, actor, actor. About. Alright, so have the same sound in both actor, and about. So there are similar sounds, and we have about. Okay, so we can find similar sound in the OR, in actor, and the A in about. Okay, so actor, about, actor, about. Alright, so we have it about. Right, option A, that's the answer. Alright, our 77th question, bat. Bat. So, where do we see it? Where can we find it? Bat. So, A, cake, B, bark, C, bath, D, cat. Alright, which is it? So, the R sound in bat can also be found in cat. Okay, bat, cat. So the S sound is also found in cat. Bat, cat. No wonder they sound very much alike. Bat, cat. So we have it in cat, option D. Our 78th question. Caught. When you're caught. When you're caught. So when you're caught doing something bad, say caught stealing. Alright, so when you're caught, this is A, laugh, B, caught, C, loud, and D, Lord, which is it? Lord God. Alright, so this is caught and Lord. So the sound alike. That's the or sound. Or sound. The caught, Lord. Okay, so the R sound or sound in caught can also be found in Lord. So the correct answer is Lord. Okay, Lord. 79th question, that's option D, by the way, Lord, option D. Our 79th question, onion. Onion. The onion. So A, cotton, B, act, C, nurse, and D, store. Which is it? So the onion is the sound in onion. The sound in onion cannot be found in any of the stated options. So, no answer. Onion cannot be found. Onion. The sound in onion cannot be found in any of the stated options. So, we don't have an answer there. The answer is no answer. All right, so 80th question. We have berry. Okay, so it's not bury. No, it is berry. In as much as we have the U there, it's not like U. It's not pronounced bury. It's pronounced berry, like it's E. Okay, so we have berry. So berry. Okay, we have the options: three, head, burn, and bulb. Which is it? So berry. Oh, berry. The S sound in berry, that's berry. Berry. The S sound in berry can also be found in head. Berry. Head. Okay, so it's it. The S sound. Berry. Berry. And head. Head. See? Head. Alright, so that's it. We have an option B. Head. Alright, so that. Alright, we have an option B. Head. So that is it for. So here we have it. Head. Option B. So that is it for this learning session in speechwork. See, so speechwork may not be as hard as you think. Alright, so you just need to constantly practice these vowel and consonant sounds, and of course always resort to your dictionaries for transcriptions, and you find them easy, like 1, 2, 3. Alright, so thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed these sounds. I know they can be very complicated, but trust me, with continual practice you'll overcome it, trust me. Alright, so PrepClass finds it fun learning with you. I hope you also find it fun learning with us. And don't forget to reach out to us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, share with your friends. Okay, so please stay good, please stay cool. But until then,